California, a place of dreams, wonder, and monsters? Just kidding, guys. There are no monsters in California that we know of. But however, there is quite a bit of fantastic wildlife, from trees to plants to animals. And that is what our epic documentary is about today in the Biomes of California by Tyson Edgar, Mya Learned, and Wyatt Clevenger. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
What's up, Book? We're at Big Hendy Grove.
We're going to Big Hendy Grove.
Oh, we're going to Big Hendy Grove, the hiking spot, and it's gonna be super fun and informative.
Yeah, Book.
Welcome to Hendy Woods State Park, located in Mendocino County, California. This park is home to some of the most magnificent coastal redwoods in the world. Walking among these towering giants feels like stepping into another world. The forest is quiet, cool, shaded, with a dampy earth smell and soft fern-covered ground.
The most striking feature of this biome is the trees themselves. Coast redwoods, Sequoia sempervirens, are the tallest trees on Earth, often reaching over 300 feet high. Their trunks are massive and covered with thick, reddish-brown bark that protects them from fire and insects.
You're purple!
Yep.
Redwoods can live for over 2,000 years, making them some of the oldest living organisms on the planet.
Beneath the redwoods, many smaller plants thrive in the filtered sunlight. Sword ferns, redwood swirls, mosses, and lichen blanket the forest floor. Redwood sorrels is especially noticeable because of its delicate clover-like leaves that fold up at night. Fallen logs decompose slowly, creating nurse logs where young plants and trees can grow.
The landscape of Hendy Woods is lush and layered. Tall trees form a dense canopy overhead, while shrubs and ferns fill the understory below. The ground is soft from years of fallen needles and leaves. Seasonal streams and patches of mist add moisture to the ecosystem. The dim light and cool air create a peaceful atmosphere.
Many animals are well adapted to this life in the forest. One of the most recognizable is the bright yellow banana slug. Banana slugs are slow-moving decomposers that feed on dead leaves, fungi, and animal droppings, helping recycle nutrients into the soil. Their slime helps them move and protects them from dying out.
High in the treetops, common ravens call with deep croaks. Ravens are highly intelligent birds that can solve problems and use tools. They eat insects, small animals, fruits, and carrion. Their adaptability makes them successful in many habitats, including redwood forests.
Spiders are another important part of this ecosystem. Orb-weaving spiders spin intricate webs between branches to catch flying insects. Another species hunt along the forest floor and in decaying logs. These spiders help control insect populations and serve as food for birds and amphibians.
Other animals found here include black-tailed deer, salamanders, woodpeckers, and raccoons. Amphibians are especially common because of the cool, moist conditions. The forest provides shelter, food, and water for a rich diversity of life.
The climate of the redwood biome is mild and wet. Temperatures are usually cool, and heavy winter rains provide adequate amounts of moisture. Coastal fog is crucial during the dry summer months. Redwoods absorb water directly from the fog through their needles, allowing them to survive when rainfall is scarce.
This combination of towering trees, abundant moisture, and diverse wildlife makes Hendy Woods one of California's most remarkable ecosystems.
That's so Instagram worthy.
Glory Hole Campground, located near New Melones Lake, lies within California's Chaparral biome. Unlike the shady redwood forest, this landscape is open, dry, and sunlit. Rolling hills are covered with dense shrubs rather than tall trees, and the air often smells of sage and dry earth.
One of the defining characteristics of the Chaparral is its vegetation. Plants here must survive hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Common shrubs include chasmis, manzanita, chianotheus, and shrub oak. Manzanita is easy to recognize by its smooth red bark and twisted branches. Many chaparral plants have small, waxy leaves and reduced water loss.
The landscape consists of rocky slopes, scattered grasses, and thick shrub cover. During spring, wildflowers add bursts of color, but by summer, much of the vegetation turns golden brown. The terrain is rugged, with exposed soil and boulders that reflect the intense sunlight.
Fire plays a major role in this biome. Chaparral plants are adapted to periodic wildfires. Some seeds germinate only after exposure to heat or smoke, and many shrubs resprout from deep roots after burning. Fire helps renew the ecosystem and prevents older plants from dominating.
Black-tailed deer are among the most common large animals in chaparral habitats. They browse on leaves, shoots, and acorns, especially during the cooler morning and evening hours. Their tan coats help them blend into the dry vegetation.
Other mammals include coyotes, gray foxes, bobcats, and bush rabbits. Coyotes are opportunistic predators that eat rodents, insects, and fruit. Bush rabbits hide beneath shrubs to avoid predators. Small rodents such as mice and ground squirrels are also abundant.
Birds are well represented in the chaparral. California quail move in groups along the ground, while hawks soar overhead searching for prey. Scrub jays and wren tits are common among the shrubs, feeding on seeds, berries, and insects.
Reptiles are especially suited to the warm climate. Western fence lizards bask on rocks, and gopher snakes and rattlesnakes hunt small mammals. Insects such as bees, butterflies, and ants are active during much of the year and are essential pollinators.
The climate is Mediterranean, with hot, dry summers and cool, rainy winters. Summer temperatures often exceed 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and drought is common. Most rainfall occurs between late fall and early spring.
The chaparral may appear harsh, but it is a resilient and biologically rich ecosystem, shaped by drought, fire, and adaptation. This isn't for boobs. What's the weather look like? That's all I got. Oh, sport mode. So many sneaky folks who no one's noticed. I just cracked this in mine. And it made noise too. Hey, get up on that. Make sure you're thinking out loud in the letter. You have to dangle your feet like right here. Oh, leg cramp! Ah! Oh, I've been sitting too long before doing that. Oh, fuck, that hurt. Make sure your legs aren't butt forwards. Alright, perfect.
The Furnace Creek Campground is located in Death Valley National Park, one of the hottest and driest places on Earth. This desert biome is a landscape of salt flats, sand dunes, rocky mountains, and a whole wide open valleys. At first glance, it may seem barren, but many organisms evolved to thrive here.
The climate is extreme. Summer temperatures can exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and annual rainfall averages less than 2 inches. Humidity is very low, and evaporation happens quickly. Organisms must conserve water and avoid overheating.
The landscape around Furnace Creek includes gravel fans, eroded hills, and sparse vegetation. Bright sunlight and exposed rock dominate the scenery. At night, however, the temperatures can drop dramatically, creating a large daily temperature range.
Plants are scattered but highly specialized. Creosote tea bush is one of the most common desert shrubs. Mesquite trees grow where groundwater is available. Cacti, desert holly, and seasonal wildflowers also occur in suitable conditions.
Animals are most often active at night when temperatures are much cooler. Desert cottontail rabbits use their large ears to release heat and can survive with very little free water. They feed on grasses, leaves, and bark.
Rattlesnakes, such as the sidewinder, are iconic desert predators. They use heat-sensitive pits to detect warm-blooded prey and remain hidden during the hottest parts of the day. Their camouflage helps them blend into sand and rocks.
Spiders are most common but usually hidden. Tarantulas and wolf spiders hunt insects and other small animals. Despite their intimidating appearance, they are most important predators that help regulate the insect populations.
Ants are among the most bussiest desert animals. Harvester ants collect seeds and store them underground. Other species scavenge plant and animal material. Their colonies aerate the soil and redistribute nutrients.
Birds, such as roadrunners, ravens, cactus worms, and hawks, are well adapted to the desert life. Roadrunners can sprint across the ground chasing lizards and insects, and running away from coyotes. Ravens are intelligent scavengers that can exploit many food sources.
Other desert animals include kangaroo rats, kit foxes, lizards, and bighorn sheep. Kangaroo rats are remarkable because they can obtain nearly all the water they need from the seeds they eat. Bighorn sheep navigate steep, rocky slopes in search of water and forage.
The desert biome may seem inhospitable, but it supports a fascinating community of plants and animals uniquely adapted to survive under some of the harshest conditions on planet Earth.
One little extra we got right here, it's called a camel spider. Not actually a spider, it's an arachnid belonging to the group Solifigae. Its giant jaws deliver a painful bite, and I am very glad that it did not attack me, though it did try to attack me.
From the cool, misty redwoods forests of Hendy Woods to the sun-baked scrublands of Glory Hole Campsite to the extreme deserts of Furnace Creek, California. California contains an incredible amount of variety in its biomes.
Each ecosystem has its own climate, plants, animals, and landscape, demonstrating how life adapts to very different environments.
Together, these biomes showcase the remarkable diversity of the natural world.